Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log into PlayStation credit card online. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in d.community.net/ac/PlayStation Visa. After you do that, press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in this page from where you can easily access your credit card account. Simply click on the sign in button existing at the top of the main home page and this will open up the sign in area on the right corner. Start off by entering your username in the first text box. Head over to the next field and type in your correct password. If you've forgotten your username or password, click the forgot username/password link at the bottom and follow through the prompts till the end. After filling in both of your information correct, click sign in and that way you should be able to access your PlayStation credit card online. That was how you can easily do it. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.